Hi, my name is Alli Myatt, and I'm the founder of the Equity Practice. We're in the in-between right now. Our old societal systems are breaking, and we haven't built the new ones yet. Some people think AI and the machines will save us. Meanwhile, we have things like a loneliness epidemic, which tells us what we're starving for is trust between us, our presence, and connection with each other. The things that machines just can't make. One thing I know for sure, because of the work that I get to do every day, you cannot build new systems from a place of fear. So this session is about that, just that. You can't build a new workplace afraid. This is a hands-on workshop. You'll get a chance to learn more about a 4-part map and get to find where you are on the map and how you like to ground yourself and find steadiness in a world of chaos. And you'll find out the ways that stress can hijack and move you out of a state of regulation, the very thing that you need to be able to build whole new worlds. We'll be drawing from the wisdom of historical freedom communities who outlasted systems of oppression by building something entirely different and more liberatory because they were focused and they weren't operating from a place of fear. This session is for people who want to build something completely different than our existing systems. They don't want to use practices of domination and control. They want to build something more liberatory instead. And they believe that it's possible. So if you come to this session, you'll find your people. You'll find the people that are trying to build a whole new liberatory world, as well as the people who regulate and ground themselves like you do. You'll learn more about the gifts of that way of regulation and being in the world, and you'll get a chance to explore some of the harder truths about that type, the ways that you might abandon yourself, your values, and your commitments to social change when you're under pressure. One thing you'll also learn is that no single type will build a new world alone. We need all 4 types to build a more liberatory world, which is solidarity in action. This is the work I get to do every day. I help people learn to be in solidarity with each other. And one of the ways I do that is by exploring what I call ancestral blueprints, and we'll be doing that in this session. We use these blueprints to help us remember who we will become by exploring who we were. So come to the session as you are. You don't need to know anything about ancestral blueprints or anything like that to join. What you need is a commitment to a radically different future of ways that we can relate to each other. Again, my name is Alli Myatt. I'm the founder of the Equity Practice, and I hope that you will vote for my session. You can't build a new workplace afraid.